Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can display filters using Elementor with Dynamic AJAX Product Filter for WooCommerce. So at first, you need to go to our dashboard, and from here, you need to select Post or Pages. I will go with Pages. You can add filter to this existing page, but I will go with the new page. Click Add Page. I will display our filter in this page, but at first we need to rename the page Test 1 and click Publish. So our page is ready. Now let's click Edit with Elementor. Now click the plus icon to choose the layout, and I'll go with this structure, and here I will add our product. So let's search for products and let's drag and drop it here. Now at the left sidebar, we will add our plugin, the Dynamic AJAX Product Filter. Just need to grab it here. So our filter plugin has been added. Here is 3 kind of filter type: all filter, single filter and selected filter. Now we'll go with all filter and we'll click Publish. You can define here how the products will be displayed. It could be grid or list format, and this option is for pagination selector. You can configure pagination behavior for product list that span multiple pages, and this option is for select filter layout. It could be site layout or top view layout. It depends on how you can choose. So let's go with sidebar layout. It seems good with this layout. This option is for database query. You can query with category, tag, attribute terms. You can also manage the form from here. You can move the place of the filters and can hide the filters, and you can also search for attribute from here and can also remove any filter from here. That's how they all work, and can also add new item if you want to add. And this option is for mobile responsive style. There is 4 kind of style. You can go with any of them. And that's all the functions of content. Next option is style. You can change the form style from here. So let's change the form style background. Let's change its background color. Let's go with our shop theme color. It's showing here. And there is more option for border radius. You can add padding, margin, can also add box shadow, or can add form height. You can add it through pixel or with more unit. So let's choose percentage and let's make it 100%. Okay, it's looking fine now. And next option is container style. Containers are these boxes. You can also add it their background color, and also can add border radius, padding, margin, box shadow. And here is option for overflow. It could be visible, hidden, scroll, auto, as you want. You can add. The next option is a widget title style. Here you can customize the widget title. So let's change their background color. So it could be color, or you can also add images. So let's change their color. So make something like this. And can also edit the typography. So let's change it to Arial. You can also change the text color. So let's change the color. And can add border radius, text alignment from center or left, or it could be in right. Let's let it be in left. It seems good. You can also add padding, margin, and there is option for widget item style. You can also changes the item color, background, typography. You can add also padding, margin, border radius to them, and can also changes the gap. You can also change the button style from here, background type, color, locations. This option is for you can add gradient in button. That's why the color and the second color you can add to make it looks more beautiful. You can also choose the angle, from which angle you want to display that color. You can add also text color, hover background color, hover text color, and can also choose the border type. You can also add padding, margin, and border radius. And there is option for rating style. You can change the rating size from here, and can also choose how you want to display the inactive color or active color and hover color. You can choose from here, and can also maintain the gap. And this option is for reset button. There is option for background type. You can change the background color or add image and change the typography from here as you want. And there is more option for text color, hover background, hover text color. You can also add border type and padding, margin. And the next option is input style. You can change the input background color and can also choose the text color, add padding, margin, and border radius and border type. The last option is slider. Here you can add the slider background and slider border radius and progress background color. Here you can also add margin, thumb size, thumb background, or can add also tooltip background color. Let's move to the next option, advanced. Here you will get more option. You can do changes in layout and motion effect, transform, background, border, mask, responsive, attribute, and you can also add custom CSS here to do some changes. So that's all the functions of our filter. You can edit all the section and can customize each of the area of our filter with Elementor.